Hey everybody, I'm Jake, the GeekOutTech, keeping you up to date with cool tech and other geekery. Today I'm going to give you some audio samples from the Rode iXY stereo microphone. I'm using my iPod Touch 4th generation and the Rode Rec app to do this recording. You can see here. In this first situation, I'm in an area that I created for doing voiceovers for my videos. This consists of a table that's covered with a sound blanket, and the wall behind it also has a sound blanket. This helps reduce the noise, the echo in the room quite a bit, gives the audio a nice sound. And now here's the audio from the camcorder. The quick brown dog jumped over the lazy fox. And back to the iXY audio. And now I'm going to head outside. Alright, for this audio sample, I'm outside on my side yard. Here's the audio from the camcorder. And now here's the audio from the Rode iXY. The quick brown dog jumped over the lazy fox. There's a little bit of wind going on here, but not a whole lot. I'm going to put on the windshield. Okay, and this is what it sounds like with the windshield on. The quick brown dog jumped over the lazy fox. So for this sample, I'm in a very small room and there's barely anything in here. It definitely has that echoey sound, that empty room sound. So far the audio has been from the iXY. And now here's the audio from the camcorder. The quick brown dog jumped over the lazy fox. And now back to the iXY. So those are my audio samples for the Rode iXY stereo microphone. I hope they give you a decent idea of the quality of this microphone. This mic is an excellent mic, and it's so convenient. I can see anyone from an amateur to a professional audio person using this mic. And that's the Rode iXY. I'm Jake, the GeekOutTech. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more geekery, and I'll see you next time.